Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and one of the most amazing lenses that we've bought recently is this Tamron 70-28mm f2.8 lens. Now, of course, Tamron's got their own DI, III RXD, all of that nomenclature, but let's just not get into that. Let's unbox this and see what you get inside the box. Alright, so there is of course a 2-year warranty that Tamron has started offering with their lenses, which is great because while in most countries warranties tend to be 1 year, in India, camera manufacturers give 2 years of warranty, so it's only natural for lens makers to also match that. So when you open the box up, you have the warranty card, which is pretty awesome right here. And you do need to make sure you keep this safely because you'll need it in case you want to claim warranty. Then further opening the box, you get a bunch of user manuals. They don't teach you how to use the lens better, so you need to have the skill to begin with. Alright, so don't expect that the user manual is going to make your shooting skills better. Now the lens itself is packed actually very well. There is no way to pull it out just like that. You have to remove the whole assembly, which means you can be assured that while this lens was being transported, it did not sort of move around inside the box. So let's just quickly get rid of that. This is the new Tamron 70-28 2.8 lens. Now this is actually fairly light, coming in at a little under 500 grams. It's compact, very compact, which is ideal for mirrorless cameras. This is the Sony E mount, works with full frame Sony cameras and has a 67mm front diameter, so that's the filter size you would need to use. The hood, of course, is included, which is actually only mounted on the lens. Typically, we see lens manufacturers put the hood separately, but that's fine, doesn't really make much of a difference. The lens is designed in Japan and manufactured in perhaps Malaysia or something. We'll have to look at that information later. But what's really cool about the Tamron lens, this Tamron 70-28 2.8, is that it's a wide-angle lens with a big 2.8 aperture that will go beautifully with any Sony mirrorless camera. We've got the Sony A7 Mark III, so that's what this is for. And it'll work when you have the camera set to continuous focus. But where it really excels is when you mount that camera on a gimbal and you want to move around your subject. If, for example, you're shooting this product, if we had the gimbal, we could be moving around with the camera staying, or rather the focus staying on this lens. Our gimbal unfortunately has been delayed, it's on the way, but all of the lenses we've bought are keeping in mind that we would want to use it on the gimbal at one point. So this is extremely light, which is great when you have to balance the gimbal. It's compact, which means that it's not going to extend a lot out of the gimbal's body, and that is why we chose the 70-28 Tamron f2.8 lens. There are other options from, let's say, Sony. There's many other options from different manufacturers, but nothing is as light and as compact as this lens. So that's a quick unboxing of the Tamron 70-28mm f2.8 lens. Fairly minimal setup. You don't get a filter in the box, which is fine. You should ideally be buying a high quality filter on your own, and you have a bunch of manuals, the warranty card, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and in case you have any questions about the lens, its performance, etc., leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you guys for watching this video.